how to connect Amazon FBA to TikTok Shop. So hello guys and welcome back to today's video. In today's video, we will be talking about connecting your Amazon together with your TikTok Shop. There are multiple reasons why you would be connecting your TikTok Shop together with your Amazon. But mainly the reason is to have products be sold together with TikTok Shop and Amazon. It could either be having two stores at the same time and syncing your two platforms together with the products that you're selling. But you could also do a dropshipping version where you will be using products from your Amazon or your Amazon FBA and selling it on your TikTok Shop, which is a very popular business model nowadays, which is our dropshipping business model, wherein people will be buying on your store in TikTok Shop and you yourself will not be bothering with the inventory or anything related to that because you are just the seller. Amazon and TikTok will be handling all the shipping and inventory for you. Now, typically this process does not allow us, or this is not possible with just Amazon and TikTok Shop. You won't be able to connect and integrate them directly inside of their respective platform. Therefore, we will be utilizing third parties. There are multiple third parties out there that would allow you to connect TikTok Shop and Amazon together. And we will be exploring one of those platforms, which I really like as well. A platform that is really cool and really useful. So, the platform that I'm talking about is AutoDS. AutoDS is a platform that would allow you to integrate and connect two platforms together very easily. You're able to use AutoDS and its different features with just a very cheap price, depending on, of course, which plan you're trying to get. But over here, as you can see on AutoDS, we're currently in AutoDS, and let's show you what you can do. First things first, you would need to connect your TikTok Shop to AutoDS to be able to sync the store and be able to add products directly from AutoDS. You could do this by simply selecting the top left option over here. Click on Add Store, and you will be able to see here TikTok Shop. You will be able to connect TikTok Shop and AutoDS over here, which will then allow you to integrate or have the connection. For me, I already have an existing plan, which is Shopify Store. Therefore, I will be demonstrating the Shopify version. You have to not worry though, because Shopify and TikTok Shop or the other plans doesn't really have any distinct features that are unique to them. Therefore, whatever I am presenting right now is going to be the exact same thing, regardless of whether it's Shopify or TikTok Shop. Its features are going to be exactly the same, so you don't need to worry about that. So over here, AutoDS has some features that you might want to know, such as the marketplace over here. AutoDS shows us a marketplace of different products from all kinds of sources that we could simply import into our TikTok Shop if we prefer. These products came from all kinds of platforms such as Amazon, Etsy, and all of those different platforms. So it's like a combination or like a random listing of products over here. There's categorization, which will help you decide or help you identify the different platforms you want to connect to or different items that you want to sell. So you have your hand-picked products as well, ad spy, and trending products. There's also print-on-demands that we could take advantage of, where you will be able to sell your own design on different types of clothing. Now, where does Amazon come in? In AutoDS, you could easily add products from Amazon through their simple link. So before we demonstrate this, let's simply look for a product for now. Let's say this product over here, this product over here, and lastly, let's go with this product. So we have three different types of product. Let's say this one first. I want this product to be sold on my TikTok Shop. All we need to do is copy the URL first, go to AutoDS, and click on Add Product. you will be able to see here that there's options such as single product, multiple product store, hand-picked products, auto DS finder, and untracked products. So let me select single product for now. Over here, we have supplier URL or a product ID. So what we're going to do is we're going to get the URL of the product that we need, which is this one over here. So we're going to copy this and we're going to paste it into this. We will be able to easily identify that this product came from Amazon, as you can see, based on the supplier source. It will be able to easily identify that it is coming from Amazon. After that, you could either edit now, which will allow you to edit the different information such as this, as you can see. You will be able to modify the title, the tags, the brand. There's also descriptions over here that you will be able to modify. You could optimize it with AI, or you could manage it on your own. You could check out variants over here, images, and other item specification. After that, you can simply click on Save and Import once you're satisfied with the output that you have or with the details that you have modified. So next, we could try and do the other options over here. You could import multiple products at once to save you time and effort instead of manually adding all of those information or add all of those links one by one. So we could do this, click on Add Draft, and it will do that together all at once. So we could check out also the one that we have just imported, which is this one, I guess, for iPhone, or is it the other one? So let's double check our products over here. So this one was the one we imported. So going over here in my Shopify, if I refresh this, I should be able to get that specific charger available now on my product list. As you can see here at the bottom, we now have the product charger that we have. Now, if we did it the same way on your TikTok shop plan when you connected it, you should be able to now also see the same products on your managed products, which will display all the different product lists that you have available. So if it was successful, you will be able to see it over here, and the process will be exactly the same with what I have been doing over here. So simply look for the products that you like, look through your FBA products, look for products that came from FBA in Amazon, and then just do the same thing that we have done, and you will be able to easily add or connect these two platforms. So that's basically it, guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.